za okubinga contractor ow'ekitongole kya Kareta Construction Company ngwarire sente miliyoni 168 eziyahibwe nka advance okombeka irwarro.
There is no materials, there are no blocks, there is no even sand, there is nothing. And that's what we wanted to know, whether the contractor has abandoned. Then we need to terminate this contract very fast and charge them to refund the money that we have already advanced. Who is the clerk of works?
Abantu bagira ngo government etireho miliyoni 9 okombeka irwarro eri konka ngo kubahire contractor sente zo kutandikiraho yazirya na hataremerwe gukora omurimo gubaragine nawe.
Site tukagigaba mwezi gwa katano. Hati ya tuli omwezi gwa kangayi omwezi gwa 10. 5 months now olebe kiriya tukamushenyesha ogokubanza hati olebe agamatafali gonna tukagabingeza za blockades n'ebicupuli.
Sam Kajojo, chairman w'entebe ya gatano owa Kanungu, ajumirire nkoreji kandi yarahira ngo tarikwisha kwiciriza muntu wena okujinjera omurimo gwa government ogugenderire okukorerwa abantu ba Kanungu.
Itwe turaza kwiciriza omuntu government ya Uganda kutuha programs nenga projects. Rero omuntu akija kazingitirana ebyarabone akabiteka hanu yasukabikirize ebyo. Contractors takahwero mu bwire bwazo tetukabasa gumantura niyo wengaro zino niyo wenga
kwa kuba kweza bashaba contractor bashaba district mwe bahereza advance hati baza kumuti kumuzaho ashemere kuzo mu koti bakabanza yashashire sente zibamuhira abo kwatine cyakoze.
Tugerezeho kushyikirira contractor wa Kareta Company Limited konka byona byabi byabusha bitabebembezi bashazire